Welcome. Last time we completed our study of B, phenomenology, which ended with reason and spirit and the unity of subject and object. Today we will study C, psychology, the third and last stage of subjective spirit, and make our transition to objective spirit. To review briefly, phenomenology studied the appearing of spirit or mind. Once spirit has appeared, phenomenology is completed. Spirit revealed itself to be the truth, the subject-object unity aware of itself. Spirit is thus all reality, containing everything, the subjective and the objective world, within itself. Hence, spirit, as self-relation, is absolutely free. There is no longer any object or other outside of itself to limit itself. Psychology, a stage of subjective, not yet objective spirit, is the study of the spirits or minds or intelligences, faculties, powers, or activities. The key is there is only one spirit, mind, intelligence. That is, there is nothing but intelligence. Intuitional intelligence, representational intelligence, imaginative intelligence, thinking intelligence, willing intelligence, and so on. So, contrary to ordinary psychology's view of the mind's faculties, namely as separated from each other, thinking in one pocket, willing in another pocket, and having no overall purpose, the correct view, according to Hegel, is to regard the faculties as stages in the liberation of the concept, again, from Platonic immediacy to the concepts truth and freedom. Therefore, to deduce and show the necessity of the various faculties, we start with the opposite of the truth, the opposite of the unity of subjectivity and objectivity, namely the disunity of subject and object. And there are two forms of this disunity. One, where the object is primary and given and has to be made subjective or unified with the knower. This is knowledge or theoretical mind. And two, where the subject is primary and has to be made objective. This is willing or practical mind. Thus, when you know an object, you become one with the object. You know its inner essence, determinations, universals. That is the UPI concept, which is a unity of subject and object, thought and being. Likewise, when you act or will something, e.g., you will to write a letter, the result is an object that is saturated with your aim or purpose, the actual written letter, which is likewise a unity of subject and object. And both are examples of freedom. You see yourself in the object.